4 eggs contain approximately 24 grams of high-quality protein. High-quality protein is essential for muscle repair. High-quality protein is essential for muscle growth. Eggs are a valuable component of diets focused on physical activity. Eggs are a valuable component of diets focused on muscle development. Eggs contain essential vitamins and minerals that are vital for human health. Vitamin A in eggs supports vision, immune function, and cell growth. Vitamin D in eggs is crucial for bone health and calcium absorption. Vitamin B12 in eggs supports nerve function and red blood cell formation. Choline in eggs is essential for brain function and development. Selenium in eggs acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage. Choline, found in eggs, is vital for supporting cognitive functions and neurotransmitter activity. Choline supports neurotransmitter activity, which is essential for nerve signal transmission. Adequate choline intake is particularly important for pregnant women and developing fetuses. Choline deficiency can impair cognitive development and neurotransmitter function. Eggs contain antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration. These antioxidants also contribute to the prevention of cataracts. Regular consumption of eggs can support overall eye health due to the presence of these protective compounds. Eggs are known for their satiating properties, which can aid in weight management. Incorporating eggs into meals may help control cravings and support weight loss efforts. The satiating effect of eggs can reduce hunger and overall calorie intake. Eggs contribute to weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness. The high protein content in eggs is a key factor in promoting satiety. Regular consumption of eggs can be part of a balanced diet for effective weight control. Consuming eggs can elevate levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol. High-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol is often referred to as good cholesterol. Elevated HDL levels are associated with a reduced risk of heart disease in many individuals. Eggs contribute to increased levels of HDL, which aids in cardiovascular health. Maintaining healthy HDL cholesterol levels is crucial for overall well-being. 4 eggs contain approximately 740 grams of cholesterol. This amount exceeds the previously recommended daily cholesterol limit of 300 milligrams. Current research indicates that dietary cholesterol has less impact on blood cholesterol levels than previously believed for most individuals. The relationship between dietary cholesterol and blood cholesterol is complex and varies among individuals. Therefore, dietary recommendations have shifted to focus more on saturated and trans fats rather than total cholesterol intake. For healthy individuals, consuming 4 eggs daily does not significantly elevate the risk of heart disease. The body's natural regulatory mechanisms effectively manage cholesterol levels in most healthy individuals. Individuals with pre-existing conditions may experience different effects from dietary cholesterol. Dietary cholesterol's impact varies depending on individual health status and genetic factors. Individuals with high cholesterol should exercise caution when consuming 4 eggs daily. Individuals with diabetes should exercise caution when consuming 4 eggs daily. Individuals with pre-existing heart disease should exercise caution when consuming 4 eggs daily. It is advisable to limit intake to 1-2 eggs per day and consult with a healthcare professional. 4 eggs contain approximately 280 calories, contributing to daily caloric intake. The calorie count of 280 does not account for added cooking oils or fats. Daily caloric needs must factor in the 280 calories from the eggs. Energy balance is achieved by aligning calorie intake with daily energy expenditure. Tracking caloric intake is essential for managing energy balance throughout the day. Consistent monitoring of calorie consumption supports informed dietary choices. The saturated fat content in eggs can vary based on the cooking method. Frying eggs in butter or oil significantly increases the saturated fat content. Consuming eggs with bacon or sausages contributes additional saturated fats. Added fats from cooking methods should be considered when monitoring saturated fat intake. Different cooking oils contain varying amounts of saturated fat, impacting the final saturated fat content. Choosing low-fat cooking methods can help reduce the overall saturated fat intake from eggs. Balancing egg consumption with other healthy foods is essential for a complete diet. Pairing eggs with vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats creates a nutritionally complete meal. A balanced meal ensures a diverse intake of essential nutrients. Nutritional balance supports overall health and well-being. Regular consumption of processed meats combined with eggs can lead to an increased intake of unhealthy fats. Processed meats often contain high levels of sodium, which can be detrimental to health when consumed excessively. Combining eggs with processed meats like bacon or sausages should be avoided to maintain a balanced diet. Excessive intake of unhealthy fats and sodium can contribute to various health issues. Limiting the consumption of processed meats is a key step in promoting a healthier lifestyle. Choosing healthier protein options over processed meats can significantly reduce the risk of dietary imbalances. For healthy and active individuals, consuming up to 4 eggs daily is generally considered safe. This dietary practice can be integrated into a well-balanced diet to support overall health and fitness. Eggs provide essential nutrients that contribute to muscle repair and energy levels for active lifestyles. The safety of consuming 4 eggs daily is contingent on individual health conditions and activity levels. A balanced diet, including eggs, supports various bodily functions and enhances physical performance. Consulting with a healthcare professional or nutritionist is recommended for personalized dietary advice. Individuals with pre-existing health conditions should consult healthcare professionals regarding egg consumption. Personalized advice from a doctor or registered dietitian is crucial for individuals with high cholesterol. Individuals with heart disease require tailored dietary guidance regarding egg intake. Healthcare professionals can provide personalized recommendations based on individual health profiles. Consulting a healthcare professional ensures informed decisions about egg consumption for those with health concerns. The impact of consuming 4 eggs daily is highly dependent on the overall dietary context. A balanced diet is crucial for maximizing the benefits and minimizing potential risks associated with any specific food intake. Regular exercise significantly influences how the body processes and utilizes nutrients from food. Healthy lifestyle habits, including adequate sleep and stress management, are essential for optimal health outcomes.